Hi, today I'm producing Google Pixel 7 Pro and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated. If you want to turn it off, you just should hold for a while your device screen and then click here to Home Settings. After that, we can see here a swipe to access Google app, switcher, just let's click here once to turn it off. And now when we just swipe with our finger to the right side, we can see that the Google Discover is turned off successfully. If you want to turn it on again by the same way, go here to the Home Settings and use the switcher to activate the Google Fit. So as you can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.